UV rays, the burning sun, hot tarmac and car shows. The summer takes its toll on your ride. Here's 5 essential tips to make sure your car is protected and show and shine ready this summer. Tip number 1, blast out those bugs. The summer always sees an increase in flies and bugs, which unfortunately end up all over your car. Gyeon's Q2M Bug and Grime is designed to combat exactly that. Simply spray on and wait for safe and efficient squash bug and grime removal. Tip number 2, in the summer you want that waxy and glossy shine, but before you apply your coating, we always recommend a pre-wax cleanser to ensure your paintwork is ready for treatment. Bilt Hamber's cleanser polish is an award-winning resin-based polish that leaves paintwork super smooth, glossy and friction-free. Tip number 3, it's time to protect your ride. We've got 2 options here. For quick and easy application, Sam's Detailing Spray Wax is a Canuba wax in a spray format for rapid application. For longer lasting protection to see you through the whole summer, Gyeon Q2 Wax delivers outstanding gloss and hydrophobicity. Tip number 4, prevent burning rubber and keep those tyres looking slick and glossy with a tyre dressing. Carbon Collective's Sateen rubber and tyre protectant creates a durable coating which bonds to the surface for protection against UV rays, water, oil and dirt. No more tired looking tyres. Tip number 5, to get that show and shine finish anywhere, always keep a bottle of Quick Detailer in your boot. Our recommendation goes to Gtechniq's Quick Detailer. Easily buff away any unsightly watermarks or fingerprints and boost the gloss and slickness of your paintwork. The Quick Detailer is easy to use, simply spray and play. Click the link below to see all the products featured in this video. Also, drop us a comment with your favourite summer car care products. We love to hear your opinions. See you next time, guys.